Good morning everyone, it's Carter from Cabin Crew Chat and we are on the very first flight of the day and we're starting off with frittata, sausage and sauteed spinach. I do love having savoury for breakfast, so this was the perfect breakfast. For lunch I cooked my own, so we have pork with Chinese cabbage and I also have ponzu dressing. For this one we have protein yogurt with blueberries on top, with mini tomatoes, a boiled egg and a banana. For dinner we had apricot chicken, we had a piece of big chicken, I think this was thigh, mashed potato and broccolini, and we had extra sauce on top, and this was actually quite delicious, so I'd love to have this one again. And the manager was really nice, so he also gave me a passion fruit cake. This is also very nice. For breakfast we had scrambled eggs and bacon wrap, which was quite nice as well. For lunch I made myself bulgogi and I did some stir-fried green veggies, and we also have some rice next to it. I also brought takoyaki, which is one of those just frozen ones from the shops, and just protein yogurt again and boiled eggs for snack. For dinner I had a little pie and there was a bit of ratatouille to go, and I also topped it up with rocket leaves. And after we finish cleaning, we are done for the day. We had a bit of a breakfast party at the back galley today. We had bacon and scrambled egg sandwich, and we had a bit of pie we all shared. And for lunch I have one of those frozen meals you can get from the supermarket, and this is Korean fried chicken next to it. So basically this is high protein meal. This has 36 grams of protein. And to eat it, I'm gonna chuck this in one of those aluminum trays and heat it up in the oven. Dinner was bibimbap, which is a traditional Korean dish, but this is the vegan version, so I was still a bit hungry afterwards. If you're really lucky, the manager will get you a cup of coffee or anything you like from the cafe. So this morning, Steve was really nice to get me a cup of fruit salad. Thanks, Steve. Here's Andy. Big arms. Unusual. Look, he has earrings in. This is a new uniform policy now. You can wear those. This morning I didn't have much time to prepare and eat at home, so I am preparing a nice and simple breakfast, which is oats, bananas and milk. So I'm just going to soak it for a little bit before I eat it. Delicious and simple. For lunch, Momo made me Japanese potato salad, which has cucumber, carrot and eggs in this. It was delicious. Arigatou, Momo. ごちそうさまでした. And for snack, I have slices of orange, a whole tomato, and an apple. And for dinner, we had chicken pasta with basil and cheddar cheese on top. Very simple, but very delicious. And when I got to the hotel, I got myself a protein shake. This is actually one of the best inventions I've ever seen, and Sean from Virgin actually told me about this. And this is a protein funnel. It fits a scoop of protein inside it, and it is so convenient. No mess, no fuss. So now there's no need for me to bring a protein shaker, so I don't need to worry about washing it or taking up space in my esky bag. And all you do is shake it up in the water bottle, and there you have it, protein shake. So convenient. Thanks, Sean. And this is the man himself. This is Sean, and he had another crew tip for me. So with his smoothies, he actually puts it in this leak-proof bag and freezes it overnight. So during the flight, it acts as an ice pack, and by the time he gets to the hotel at night time, it's ready for him to drink it for his dinner. Genius. So we had a layover last night, and this is the first flight of the day, which is very early. So the hotel actually provides us with on-the-go breakfast. Here we have the variation of cornflakes and cereal you can choose from. And yogurt, we have the mango, strawberry, and we also have plain Greek yogurt as well. And then I packed in this little brown bag. Looks like a school lunch actually. Lunch was very simple. It was chicken lettuce sandwich and also ham and cheese sandwich with garlic apple. I do love garlic apple when it's nice and crunchy, and a piece of Lindt chocolate for a little treat. The dinner was quite delicious for a vegetarian dish. This was a giant roasted mushroom with a bit of salad. I was still a little bit hungry afterwards, so I also made myself tuna salad with a boiled egg on top. And this is the highlight of my week. My favorite 2 words, buffet breakfast. And whoever came up with this invention is an absolute genius. Here we have great selection of savory and sweet breakfast options. And at this hotel, we actually get 50% discount for the buffet. Some of the hotels do include free breakfast, but not this one. But nonetheless, it's still very cheap to have this buffet. And look at this feast. And yes, I did finish everything, and I may or may not have gone for seconds. I'm not gonna tell you that. So we have sausage, scrambled eggs, hash browns, beans. We have watermelon and honeydew and rock melon, and a bit of sweet treats to balance it out. And also a pear and boiled eggs to take on board. For dinner, it is a little bit of a light option. We have halloumi salad with quinoa and sun-dried tomato. I still did get hungry, so I did get rendang curry and vegetarian curry. Christmas really is the most magical season. We got to dress up in Christmas colours, and we really had so much fun with our colleagues. We got to decorate our cart with red tinsels, so festive. And for our special treat for Christmas Day and Christmas Eve, we get turkey roast with baked potatoes, roasted pumpkin and broccolini. And it's Christmas Day. I do love treating everyone to a bit of Christmas present. So I got my crew a bit of surprise present actually. So this is Christmas pudding. Who doesn't love a good Christmas pudding on Christmas Day? So this is from Coles, and I'm doing a bit of origami here. Being Japanese does come in very handy. So I'm just folding out the foil ready to be put into the oven. I always make sure I put my gloves on because I do preheat the oven. and they are ready. It is smelling absolutely divine here. The smell of cinnamon, nutmeg, brandy, just smells like Christmas. And it is looking absolutely delicious as well. And we're going to top it up with creamy custard. And my favorite part of Perth crew room was the gingerbread decoration station, which I thought was so much fun. Sarah, what is happening? What's happening?
Has it got a bra on?
Thank you so much to the Perth team for providing this such an amazing Christmas gift to all of us. Show us your gingerbread man. Oh no! Nearly lost it. So cute. If you want to be featured in the next video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on my latest video.